I don't I don't even know what to say, dude. I don't even know what to say, man. I don't know if this trading thing is gonna work out. I did the same fucking issue, dude. I got scared. I don't even I don't even know what to say, my guy. Just kidding. TP, TP. Wow, that lagged. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello? Hello? Are we good? Are we good, YouTube? Are we good? We are not good. We are not good. We are good. We hit TP. We hit TP. We hit TP. Okay, let's get into this trade. Oh my lord. Okay, this was not the original trade. Original trade was like this. Okay, let's get into why we took this trade. Kinda got a little lucky. Gotta be 100. I just saw the inverse of this, and then I saw fair value gaps were getting respected, like lower time frame fair value gaps, um, yeah, I got lucky today, man. Anyway, yeah, we just really saw an inverse of this fair value gap, saw breaks of structure, and that's when I was like, dude, we're going short. We are going short today. And we won. We got TP. But I almost got stopped out, as you can see here. Very close. Very, very close to our stop loss. Oh, um, oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Okay. So price was just chopping and chopping and chopping. And like price, like I entered here, price came down into a profit, and I was like, okay, if this was a good trade, came up all the way here. I was like, okay, yeah, we're done. We made another mistake. I screwed up. Started to come back down way into profit. I was like, okay, maybe we're good. Came up, oh my God, came down. Okay, we're good. Came all the way up here. Honestly, I think my stop loss was like here. It was insanely close. We were insanely close getting stopped out. And the reason is because we were too hasty. Basically what I traded in class today. I was trading during my and marketing and hospitality class. And mm, um as we were like as I was analyzing the chart, we were starting to inverse this gap. I was like, we're we're going short. And I'm like, here, I was like, okay, we need to wait for a little more confluences. And then my teacher goes, everybody get up. We're doing a group project. So I just went in the trade at that point. Very bad idea, but it ended up playing out because my bias is correct. I said we were bearish today. I've been saying that we were bearish for weeks, or not week, this whole week. What we could have done better is waited for this is a 15-minute fair value gap right here. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the bearish 15-minute fair value gap that I was talking about. Wait. No, this is the one we're talking about. So should have waited for price to come up, tap into this fair value gap, and tell me whether or not we're going short or not. I could have waited for the inverse, could have waited for the inspection. Either or would have been fine. Um, and then, we could have placed stops like all the way up here or all the way up here and would have been totally fine the entire time of the trade. Also, another thing that I wish I had done, which I have been speaking about for the past couple of days. When I first put this trade in, when I just immediately put this trade in, my take profit was all the way down. My take profit was all the way down here. And I really should have kept that. I was just getting nervous. I was like, oh, we're getting a reversal. We're getting a reversal, especially right here in this chop. I was like, we're getting a reversal. We're getting a reversal. Never ended up doing that, thankfully. But that is when I took profits manually. I actually did not wait for TP. But it's okay. I think it's okay. I think this was a pretty good trade. Um I hope y'all heard that. If you don't when I yesterday when I was like, I think someone's coming out. That was a fart, by the way. I farted. Anyway, let's go into a little more paralysis of this guy. Price came down here and I exited on this candle because right here we have relative equal lows here, here, like all of this stuff. I really thought the price was going to react off of these equal lows and go up. So I exited half the position here. We did 4 units of total. You can see I took 2 units out. And then that's also when we moved stops to break even, which was great. And then we exited the position here, the rest of the whole position, the rest of the two. And I think that was a mistake. I think that, if you see a good confluence, do 4 units, right? Do 4 units, take 2 out where you plan to do break even, take 1 out at like a pretty good area of liquidity or whatever key whatever confluence you think that price would react off of, and then set your take profit, like let that last one ride. If I had held that last position here, I think I would have been up on the week. Currently I'm still down about $200. Pretty not too bad, not too shabby, considering that we lost $500 yesterday. But yeah, yeah, that's all I gotta say. What to do better next time? Oh my gosh, like what to do better next time? 4 units, take 2 units out at break even levels, take another unit out at a key level, let the last one ride. Screw it. If that thing hits break even, let it hit break even. You are profitable for the day. And then another thing is wait for that tap back into that fair value gap, or just wait for another key level. I've been saying that I need to start placing trades before 10 o'clock, but I don't know if that's like a really harsh rule, because like this whole leg was after 10. It was like more like 10:30. So like, I don't know, like also price has just been weird this whole week. Like on Monday, we were just like basically just consolidation the whole day. Black Phobos or bearish. Hold on. Oh my God, dude. This light is pissing me off. Um, hold on, sorry. I fucking hate my roommates. I'm gonna end this. Yeah, basically, what we did good. What we did good, held onto the position even when we were in stops. When we were coming up here like multiple times, I was like, dude, take it out, just take it out already. And I didn't. I held on. I had confidence in my trade, and it went through. and it went through. We hit take profit. Oh, I can't see that on YouTube. Um, yeah, do better. 4 units total, 2 units at break even, 1 unit at another key level, something like this, or like this New York low here. And then let that last one ride, man. Or no, 2 here, 1 here, let the last one ride. What to do, also what to do better. Wait for the tap back into the next key level to tell you, because like we could have totally inversed this and then went up to these highs. There's like a lot of highs up here that we could have hit. Um, but anyway, I feel pretty good about this trade. It was a little hasty, but we did better. We did a lot better from yesterday. We saw a little bit more of confluence in yesterday. Kind of just went in because we felt like it because we were FOMOing. I didn't look at the kick stream. I did, but after I went into the trade, which probably was the reason why I exited so soon. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This video was all over the place. Anyway, I will see you guys later. To the 0 people watching. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got, man. That's all I got. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys later. See you guys. See, I don't know if I'm gonna trade today or tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow because we have really bad news. We have CPI. Uh, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna trade tomorrow. It's just like it's one day. It's one day that you don't trade. The next 2 weeks don't look too bad. The last week in this month looks amazing. There's like no news except for like on Friday and Thursday. And that's about it. Like, there's definitely possibilities after this trading week to make profits, like serious profits. So, yeah, that's all I got to say, man. Probably not going to trade tomorrow. Probably not going to make a video tomorrow, but that's it. Peace out, guys. Peace out.